Hey YouTube world, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to discuss as component scan and primary and qualifier with you. Okay, so for that I will be using one example of our Java. Okay, and let's say I have an interface interface and its name is sorting basically. Okay, and this is my interface. That's it, and this interface is being implemented by different algorithms. Okay, that is class bubble bubbleSort. Hmm. Implement 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 sorting sorting. Okay, and it is doing some kind of sorting, and we have already discussed that we have at the red component now. Okay, component. Okay, we have this. Okay, so this is one class for me. Okay, it's making sense, I believe. Now I do have another class as well, and let me copy it. And I do have the let's say Radix sort. Hmm. RadixSort. Okay, so when you are trying to use any algorithm and you are trying to create your own algorithm now, okay, and let me name it as some complex algorithm, another another complex sorting sorting. Okay, and it is implementing this. So what happens is whenever there are two or more such kind of things, right, you have to implement you have to give your JVM, your Spring Boot, one thing that which one of these two you have to use. Okay, so for that, what you are going to write is you will just simplify it as primary, primary. So your Spring framework is going to come to this and it will pick it directly. Okay, and that's the whole fundamental thing. Now the things start from here. Interviewer is not going to ask you about the primary; they are going to ask you about the qualifier. Now, for qualifier, what you have to do is you want to use this radix sort into your this your you are implementing this another sorting algorithm and you want to use radix sort inside it. Okay, so how can you do that? So for that you have to use qualifier. Okay, and what you will do, you will just write qualifier here, qualifier, and you will provide it a sort of name, I will say. Okay, let's say radix array dix. That's it, Radix. And now what you are going to do is when you are going to create a object for it, basically how object work right now, autowire AUTOWIRED. Okay, and with that you have to identify it as what your uh, qualifier at the rate qualifier QUALIFIER. Qualifier for what? You just have to provide the name Radix array dix. Okay, in this way, and after that you can provide if there is any function inside it, you can just make out a function of it and make a object for it. Okay, that is not important. The important thing is how you have to call out this when you have two ties. Basically these are what, these are basically two ties, correct? These two are the ties here when you have declared as primary, when you have declared as qualifier. When you are not declaring anything as a qualifier, like how we are doing it here. Okay, we haven't decided anything here yet, correct? So for that case, what we are going to do, we are just using the primary, the one, that's it. Okay, but auto wire plus qualifier, this is going to definitely use which one? It is going to use for the second type, that is this one. Okay, it is going to use this one, as simple as that. So this is the way you can create your primary and qualifier. There are multiple ties and you have to decide, you have to take only that particular thing which you are interested in. At that time qualifier is very helpful, and that is why it is asked in the interview in the most of the time. Reason being because panelists want to see like there are ties and how you are going to use the other solution for that. So that's the whole thing. With auto wire plus qualifier, you are going to get the bean of the particular class or algorithm or even say the object where you want to use it. Okay, that's it. There is no much higher difference into it. Now in the next video I'm going to discuss about dependency injections and its type and how you can do it. Okay, and after that we are going to code it. So for all of that and more, please come on the next video. Thank you.